We're back. Non-consensual towing, man. We just pulled up on this property here that it's an account we just picked up. That post right there is solar powered video recording system. It's pretty cool. I wish I had one on my truck like that. Anyway, long story short, we're gonna roll up here and see what this guy's got. They got some stuff they want towed out off this property. Whoever was towing here before, evidently they're not keeping this account up. There may be a reason they're not. Either way, we're gonna hook something and get out of here. They got some stuff they won't tow, so we got to tow. It's just what it is. There's my Trailblazer right there. It does look looks pretty abandoned to me. Scion's got expired. I don't see the other ones. Looked to me like he's being kind of rough with that dog, but I tell you this right here, hey, dogs are just like humans, man. And the longer you abuse them, they will turn on you. You better be careful with that dog right there. If you abuse a big canine dog, keep doing it and see what happens, man. That dog turns on you and you get bit. Don't be surprised, man. Anyway, we're gonna pull up here to the office and we're gonna dump this one. We're gonna dump this one up top, and I'm gonna ride back around the corner and grab that grab the other one. The problem with loading these cars like this when you're in rougher areas, you don't know where you don't know what building that person lives in. Oftentimes somebody's got an old car, they have it towed in, and they'll park it a couple of buildings up where nobody knows whose car it is, because they're not going to get tags for it. They don't want the office to connect them with the car. Oh, they'll stash illegal stuff in the car and have it a couple buildings up. Numerous occasions, you know, cars have been recovered and they've got stolen merchandise in them, drugs, stuff like that. It's called a stash car, but people will keep a stash car on property, and they'll keep their crap in the stash car. It's got no connection to them. It's not connected to them in any way. They'll put a tag on it that does not link them to the vehicle. That's just what happens. Oftentimes it happens more than you think. Anyway, we're going to load the Scion right here. We're back up here at the Scion. We're going to load these two up, and we're going to roll up out of here. This area right here, Mountain Industrial, going towards Stone Mountain, Lithonia. Looking on the news, they've been had a lot of shootings out there. The gang battles are just raging, man, out of control. People getting gunned down at gas pumps and everything else. It's pretty rough back that way. We do tow that area too, and we've towed quite a few properties back that way. But it's changing, man. Things are changing. It's getting rougher out here. Atlanta cities, the murder rate in downtown Atlanta, it's way up. Shootings are way up. In this DeKalb, that's not even counting this DeKalb County or Clayton County. Surrounding counties is Cobb, Gwinnett. It's not even counting those. There's been a rash of shootings in all the way around Atlanta. The crime's ticked up at an accelerated rate, man. Anyway, stay tuned. Anybody that tows, you know you're gonna get wet. You know what's gonna happen. Anyway, we gotta hook this car, regardless of whether or not it's raining. We'll see if anybody comes out. We may wind up having some action on this one. I don't know. We'll figure it out. What's going on, man?
That one ain't mine. What the white truck is?
Yeah.
Are y'all gonna come tow mine? Because if I need
that's got a tag on it, right? You updated the tag, or it's got
well, it was in on it. They had marked as unacceptable concessions.
It's fixed, man. It's fixed.
Okay.
Cool. I looked at it. It's got a good tag. Tires are up. I passed it.
Okay. Sweet.
This one's got a flat spire tag.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Hey, look, listen. If you get a sticker, just fix the problem, or call them if you can't.
Yeah.
It's up to them. You know what we tow. It ain't up to us. We just tow what they tell us to.
Yeah, no, I was just coming to figure out.
No, I've already looked at it. It's clear. I mean, I already checked that one off. It's no tow. Awesome. Yeah, have a go, man. Well, that gentleman came out. The Ford Ranger was the vehicle that had a flat tire or expired tag 1. The gentleman that came out was asking about his vehicle. I said, look, man, I checked your vehicle. The problem has been fixed. We're not going to tow it. Now that's how it works, man. If you address the problem and fix it where it's not a code violation anymore, these properties won't tow you if you have an apartment. Now, if you're not a resident, they might tow your vehicle anyway. These people don't like non-residents parking on these properties because they clog up the parking. You don't have an apartment. You don't need to be having your car parked over here all the time. They can tow you. A lot of people think you can't get towed. Man, if you don't have an apartment on one of these properties and you're not on a lease, hey, they can tow that car anytime. They can tow your car anytime they want, period. No questions asked. You're not authorized to have your vehicle on the property. That's the way it works. A lot of people don't know that either. Anyway, we're gonna sign this one out. Mm-hmm.